Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment gateway on the Google site. So first you just need to create a button for payment gateway. I'm going to create a button here, so like this I'm going to add a button. So I'm going to say buy now, or you can just type payment or pay now, anything you want. So I'm going to type buy now, so you can choose anything that goes perfectly or suit your current topic of your website. So then you have to enter the link. So the payment gateway link you will get from the PayPal. If you want to get add the PayPal or any card from you want to get the connect the card, then you can just add that link of that mobile banking gateway link. You can just add to your account, that the visitor or the customer can pay that money, and that money directly transferred to your account. So you can just get select your or get your payment gateway link from that mobile banking. It could be PayPal or Stripe or any could that could be anything, any mobile banking that you can use. So make sure that you have talked with your representative about the payment gateway, how you can just get the link and if it's safe or not. So then the process, you just need to acknowledge about all the process from your mobile banking service provider. Then you can add any link here, so like this anything, and then you can just tap on insert here and you will find buy now button here, and you can just place it anywhere you want. So just like this. Then and if anyone tap on it, then they will just redirect to the payment page or payment portal, where they just need to enter their credentials and enter the amount, and they have to confirm the transaction, and you will get the money on your account. So that's how you can easily add the payment gateway on your Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.